I'm Martin Van Zyl from Mayo Clinic Rochester for FITsontheGO blog, and I'm here with Dr. Russel Luepker from the University of Minnesota. He is professor of epidemiology and community health. Thank you for being with us today, Dr. Luepker. One question that I had for you is, what advice do you have for fellows who are interested in epidemiology and community health?
Yeah, my life pattern when I was a fellow in Boston was indeed to do the clinical fellowship, but I also got a master's degree in epidemiology. And it has been an extraordinary combination of skills to have. It is not only allows you to think about broader population issues, which of course we do in epidemiology, but also develop studies and trials of people who are clinical patients of yours. So I've found the combination of epidemiology and clinical cardiology a very useful mix, and it's done very well for me in my career and many of my colleagues who've done the same thing.
And where do you think the field is going, epidemiology? What's on the forefront? What's new? What's happening right now?
Yeah, I think one of the important things that's been happening in epidemiology is big data. Big data is happening everywhere, and I think there's a potential for misleading people. One thinks that if you have large numbers, you must have truth, particularly if it's statistically significant, and fail to think a lot about where those data came from. And classical example is the Medicare data set, which was put together for billing, not for scientific purposes. At any rate, that we have stressed that in many of our PhD programs in epidemiology, it is a way to go, but I think for a physician, whether in cardiology or endocrinology or whatever your specialty is, big data may be helpful, but smaller data is perhaps more likely to be revealing of things that will be helpful to the clinician trying to answer questions about how to screen, treat, prevent in patients. So big data is the hot topic of the moment. 10 years from now, it may not be the hot topic. I think one needs to keep some clinical roots, which is you can use some big data, but you really need to think smaller than that. I would add, the hot topic, of course, for the last 15, 20 years has been precision medicine, engendered by the genetic revolution. And Americans like precision medicine because we're all unique individuals, and there must be something in our DNA that will answer all our questions. I think these are highly researchable ideas, and certainly epidemiologists and geneticists and others are looking into this intensively. I still think we're a ways from precision medicine for the average patient that comes into the clinic.
Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Luepker. I really appreciate your insights. And for more videos like this, visit youtube.com/FITsontheGO. Thank you.